Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have CULT energy drink Zen Monkey, sugar free. Now this is some kind of new brand. They have come out recently in Finland. And when I first saw this I was like, what is the name of this product like? Apparently it's CULT, C-U-L-T. Really hard to read logo. But to be honest, this design of the packets is really cool. Look at this. They have this chimpanzee, the little monkey, in this nice suit. And look at the colors. Very nice. And on the top here, it says, create in unity with love and thirst. Energy drink. The dream. The dream is here. And it has no sugar, no carbs, 3 calories only, so that's really good for me. And they have some proteins and, not proteins, I mean vitamins. And niacin, what is that? There. I don't know what country it is from. I think it's Denmark or something like that. CULT. Let's see how it tastes like. And let's see what the color is. Is it gonna be transparent or is it gonna be like... I think it's gonna be transparent. Okay, got my glass here. Big glass. Ooh, look at this. Is it the beer or is it the energy drink? The color is not the best, to be honest. It looks like piss. But when you drink it from a can, I don't think you notice it, so it's fine. Yeah, this is the CULT energy drink, Zen Monkey. Let's go ahead and taste it up. It's time for the truth. Let's see if the CULT Zen Monkey tastes any good. Really fresh smell. Something unique in this energy drink Zen. Okay, here we go. Let's taste it. What flavor is this? It's some kind of fruit. Maybe there's a little bit of banana here as well. Oh yeah, banana. Maybe that's why it's yellow. A really unique flavor. Not like Red Bull, not like Bang, not like Monster, not like Rockstar. This is something unique. CULT energy drink. Let's see what the flavor is. Water, taurine, natural aromas, it doesn't say what the flavor is. Yeah, it only has these E330, E331, E950, E955. So what are these natural aromas? I don't know if you can see it. Look, can somebody, if you are more familiar with the food industry, tell me what is the E331, E955? I don't know. But it tastes like banana. Really fresh taste. But it's missing something, I think, like the aftertaste. It goes away really fast. It's not very long-lasting taste. Yeah. It's fresh but a little bit boring, like after you drink it a while. I think taste-wise, 8 out of 10. It's actually like a good try. And bonus points for being unique and not just copying like other brands. And also bonus points for this amazing packets. Look at this. So many colors and a nice monkey like me. I like monkeys. I'm like a big monkey myself. But yeah, I think I give this product 8.5 out of 10. Good packaging, fresh smell, fresh flavor, but the flavor is going away too fast. It should be more like distinguished flavor going forward into the future, just like me. I'm going to the future and my future is bright, okay? It's bright with CULT energy drink. Let's go. 8.5 out of 10. Leave a comment if you have tasted this CULT energy drink before and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.